highly of you. Who knows? A few years from now, you just might make it to the top. Oh, she smiled! I owe you my thanks, Mr. Wright. Miss Sky. And to you too, Mr. Edgeworth. You've suffered every bit as much as I have over these past few days. Believe me, I know how much of an ordeal it's been for you. It was nothing. I'm eating this shit up. Liar. Yeah! I was worried the pressure might break you. And yet, you rose above it all and guided Mr. Wright to victory. You've done well, Mr. Edgeworth. Stop it! I only did my job! Dude! In light of this case, it seems a good self-examining is in order for all of us.
Running through the meadow, flowers that speak to